I'm Bear Trylls, and you're watching Woman vs. Nature. And today we're going to be finding the wild Sophie in her natural habitat. Follow me. So as you can see, we have what's that? A peanut butter jelly tree. It comes in a bag. Good, because I haven't eaten anything all day. Yeah, it's good. It's real good. This is animal scat from a wild dingo, perhaps. Let me taste. That's a kangaroo. There she is. There she is. Wild Sophie. Look at her. In her natural habitat. You've seen these on TV, but you never see one in person. Let's try and get a bit closer.